Hello and welcome to Lesson 8. Today we're going to be talking about dividing 3 and 4-digit dividends. To divide a greater dividend, use the same process as dividing a 2-digit dividend. So we're not a whole lot different today, just adding one more step of complexity. So here we go. In a 4-hour period, 852 people rode an amusement park ride. If the same number of people rode the ride each hour, how many people rode the ride in the first hour? So we know over 4 hours, 852 people rode the ride. So we're going to have to divide 852 into 4 groups to get our answer. So first step is we should estimate to make sure we know we're getting a close answer. So 900 divided by 4. So if I take 90, well, I could do 9 divided by 4. Okay, 9 divided by 4. 2 4s go in there, then I would subtract 8, 10, 2 4s go into 10, and I would be left with 20, so I'd get about 225, should be my estimate. Okay, let's do the actual division. 8 divided by 4 is 2, 4 times 2 is 8, 8 minus 8 is 0. Bring on down and bring it on back. Divide 5 divided by 4. 1. Multiply. 4 times 1 is 4. Subtract. 5 minus 4 is 1. Bring it on down and bring it on back. 12 divided by 4 is 3. Multiply. 4 times 3 is 12. Subtract. 12 minus 12 is 0. So our actual answer is 213. That is close to our good old friend 225, which was our estimate. The other thing I would do is I'd do 800 divided by 4 is 200. That one's much easier and gets us close. So anyways, there we go. We're done. Let's move on. Okay, so now we have to divide 7,946 divided by 6. 7 divided by 6 is 1. Multiply. 6 times 1 is 6. Subtract. 7 minus 6 is 1. Bring on down and bring it on back. Divide. 19 divided by 6 is 3. Multiply. 6 times 3 is 18. Subtract. 19 minus 18 is 1. Bring it on down, bring it on back. Divide. 14 divided by 6. 2. Multiply. 6 times 2 is 12. Subtract. 14 minus 12 is 2. Bring it on down and bring it on back. Divide. 26 divided by 6. 4. 6 times 4 is 24. 26 minus 24 is 2. Do I have anything else I can bring down? No. So here's my remainder. Okay, so same thing, we just have maybe more steps. Okay, then it says to check, multiply the quotient and the divisor. So I would multiply 6 times 1,324, then add 2. Because that was my remainder to get my answer. Alright, let's do one more. 2 divided by 2 is 1. Multiply. 2 times 1 is 2. Subtract. Bring it on down and bring it on back. Divide. 6 divided by 2 is 3. Multiply. 2 times 3 is 6. Subtract. 6 minus 6 is 0. Bring it on down and bring it on back. Divide. 8 divided by 2 is 4. Multiply. 2 times 4 is 8. And subtract. We get a 0. So our answer is 134. There we have it. Thanks for watching. We'll see you tomorrow.